So, like I was saying, humus is very important, and because of building up all these cities, roads and factories and farmhouses, there is a removal of these plants and animals as well, and they cannot bring that humus there into that soil. That is why the soil is eroded, soil is cannot be there. All right. Today's farmers try to farm in a way that reduces the amount of erosion and soil loss. Now the farmers are also getting intelligent, not that they were not earlier, okay, some time back, very long time back, they were not very intelligent, but scientifically now government is also helping them. People, they go and study, farmers, they go and study agriculture, and then they come and do it on their own. Scientifically they are helping, because of, for the business to grow, scientifically they are using the materials the way the farming needs to be done. So that is reducing the amount of erosion and soil loss, which is a very good thing. Planting more trees is the most important method to prevent soil erosion. Plain and simple. Planting, please underline, planting more trees is the most important method to prevent soil erosions. You see, it is planting of trees not only will help soil to stop soil erosion, it will also help us to get more fresh air. Better it is. We cannot have only the factories pumping, releasing bad air into the air, bad gases into the air, vehicles, all right, motors which are running on oil and releasing from their exhaust fan all these gases which are harmful. We need to have a cleaner air, okay, and we need to plant more trees. Conservation of soil, again very important. Soil conservation means saving, protecting, keeping it safe, all right, conserve so that we can use it for a long time. Soil conservation is important for increasing the food production. Various measures should be taken to conserve the soil. Like again I told you, conserve the soil means to keep it intact, to keep it safe, so that we can use it for further period, for a more longer period of time. We need to save it. We need to save it from getting spoiled, from getting eroded. Number one, we should control the felling of trees. Felling means cutting down trees. Yes, we do need furnitures, we do need wood, but we should control, keep a check, not just trying to cut it selfishly to make money and spoiling the air, atmosphere, environment at large. Number two, we must plant more trees and create forests. Trees help us to hold the soil together. Roots are there, trees are there. Okay, like for example, if I teach you in this way, okay, let's compare two areas, area A, area B. Okay, this area has got 1, 2 trees. This area has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees. All right. Now what is happening? Suppose rain comes, soil is here, rain comes, water comes, it is taking the soil, getting stopped from by the tree here. Some soil is stopped, coming here, taking the tree, taking the soil with it, the rain and the wind and all that. Okay, all that just little bit is stopped, rest of them are going away. Okay, the soil erosion is happening here. All right, but here it is coming, it is getting stopped, getting stopped. So more soil is present here than in here. Means if there are more trees here, we are saving the soil from getting carried away from erosion. But if there is less or no trees, then we are losing soil because of soil erosion, as we cannot stop the movement or carrying away of the soil by rain, water, okay, rain or water or rivers. All right. We can control water flow by building dams and reservoirs of water. So we need water. Water is very important for us. So we need water to be stopped or controlled. Control means stop in that place and then use it properly. All right, ration it. All right. So we need to control the flow of this river by building dams, by building reservoirs. Reservoirs are a big area like a lake which is stopped by putting those walls all around it, all right, so that the water does not get evaporate fast or does not get flown somewhere else, all right. Water is intact for us to use for that part of city or town or village to use. So those are known as reservoirs of water. Dams, as you know, they are man-made stoppages. Big walls are there so that the water flow is stopped, water is contained, and we can use it accordingly what we want. It protects us from floods and lot of things. All right, dams help us to generate hydroelectricity. All right, so this control or this flow of water, very important, flow of water is controlled, then soil erosion is also lessened. Soil erosion is also controlled. Number 4, on hilly slopes we can make terraces. We can make terraces. Terraces farming, very important word, form of farming. The terrace do not let the water run down straight from the slope and thereby reduce soil erosion. So terrace farming, suppose this is a mountain, a hill, okay. So what the people they do, they cut into it, okay. They cut into this land and make it stepwise. Make it stepwise. This what happens when water is coming, it gets locked here, it gets stopped here. Horizontal surface will stop water than a slope, okay. So water is stopping here, again some water is flowing down here, it is getting stopped here. Now when the water is getting stopped in these horizontal areas, the farmers can grow crops. So crops are grown here, crops are grown here. Similarly crops are here. I think I need to make it a little bigger. All right, I'll just magnify, okay, this part. So it is like this. Water is stopped here, okay, water is stopped here, water is stopped here, water is stopped here, water is stopped here. All right, water is flown here, okay, they are being, okay, flown. All right, so we can help it to grow crops, okay, we can help it to grow crops. Here also this area helps it to grow crops. Here also, okay, crops can be grown. So this is, okay, big mountain. This is known as terrace farming. Terrace farming. You know what's a terrace? Terrace, like a building is here, house is here. The top part is known as the terrace. Okay, the top part with its boundary, with its boundary wall, so that people do not fall off. That is known as the terrace. So just like flat like a terrace it is, water can stay there. That's why terrace farming. So the terrace farming do not let the water run down straight from the slope. Therefore, they are by reducing the soil erosion. All right. So here we finished our chapter. Let's keep in mind something. Give a few things here which is written there. Okay, few things. Number 1, soil forms the uppermost layer of the earth's crust. Number 1. Number 2, soil erosion occurs when the top layer of the soil is carried away by water and wind. Proper measures should be taken to prevent soil erosion and conserve it. There are 6 major groups of soils in India: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. That brings me to make you tell that come to page number 56 and see this picture. How a red soil looks like, black soil looks like, alluvial soil looks like, laterite soil looks like. All right. Now, some amazing fact is 1 gram of soil contains about 5,000 to 7,000 species of bacteria. Species, different kind of bacteria, different kinds of animals, species of animals, species of plants. So they are containing 1 gram. You know how much 1 gram is? Very, very less. Small piece of soil. 1 gram of soil contains 5,000 to 7,000 species of bacteria. 1 acre of soil can hold 5 to 10 tons of living beings. 1 acre. Big piece of land. Just try to understand. One big piece of land, area of land. It is containing 5 to 10 tons, okay, of living things or living beings. So you can understand how much humus can be formed by these living things. All right. So now these question answers you will have to do it on your own. Page number 58. Okay. Very important that you do this. Okay. So here we end this chapter. Next when we meet, I think we need to study means of transport. That is your chapter 16. Page number 99. Please revise what I have taught you. Keep watching the video once again and again if you cannot understand a particular line or a topic. And like I told you, if you are free to call me, all right, on my phone number, all right. Okay, that's what. Bye bye, and stay safe, and do not worry your parents much. Be happy. Pray to God. Thank you.